ServiceUp's software as a service solution helps drivers, fleet managers, and shops efficiently and affordably manage all repair and maintenance tasks, resulting in increased vehicle utilization.
We are a vertically integrated software as a service platform that helps drivers, fleet managers, and shops efficiently and cost effectively manage all repair and maintenance tasks. And through our platform, we help fleet managers increase their vehicle utilization by reducing the time it takes to repair and maintain vehicles. And we do so with particular attention to quality standards so that the vehicle retains its value and the value of that asset is retained and produces remarketing profits. So if you look at the process for repairing a vehicle, there's lots of inefficiencies, whether it's identifying when a vehicle needs to be repaired or is due for a service, whether it's generating estimates and appraisals or routing vehicles to repair centers, whether it's approving estimates and supplements or managing the subrogation process or monitoring the repair process, returning vehicle back to the fleet. All of this is bouncing through multiple departments of a fleet and typically manually moving paperwork around and managing logistics. The bottom line is it chews up valuable days and keeps the vehicle out of service, which is a revenue hit. So we automate all of that and we shave weeks off of the average cycle time.